and due to its numerous faults and complicated setup, the installation process of the Gimili GM1043B might frustrate even the handy, but a little visually should clear everything right up. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet series. Good day everyone, and welcome to another video from ShouldIT DIY series. Today we're installing the Gimili GM1043B Touchless pull-down kitchen faucet. Let's do it. These are the components when you open up the box. First, we put the faucet together. Guide the sprayer hose through the neck, then the body. Try twisting the hose a little as you guide it through the body. Save the sprayer head for last to avoid adding extra weight on the hose. Now connect the hot and cold supply lines to the faucet. Notice the color mark on each hub. Now put everything through the opening. Here, you can use the deck plate to cover the extra holes in 3-hole installation. From under the deck, put on the rubber gasket and metal washer. Then use the mounting bracket and tighten by hand until snug tight. Notice the correct direction of the bracket. Now use a screwdriver and tighten the two mounting screws to secure the faucet. Undo the battery holder carefully. Put in 4 AA batteries. Notice the embossed symbols. And connect it to the control box. Now connect the control box to the main water line via the click connector. Plan for a place to put the battery holder with the included mounting components, or improvise, and to the sensors via the data cable. Notice the correct position and make sure to push the joint in all the way. Then push the sprayer hose into the control box at the quick connect port. Undo the weight with a screwdriver and put it on the hose. Use Teflon tape when necessary. Connect the water supply lines, then tighten everything with a wrench. Now, connect the sprayer head to the hose. Then turn on the water using the handle and the motion sensor to check if everything works. Change water temperature to make sure the hot and cold lines are correct. Finalize by checking for leaks. And that should do it. And that's how we install the Gimili GM1043B Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Like the video if you find it helpful, and consider subscribing and donating to support our work. See the description below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next one.